वेद है हमें वृक्ष बनना है, हमें इस सुंदर मानवता का कल्याण करना है। Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Jayant Puri, Reverend Father Anthony, Reverend Sister Jean, Reverend Sister Donna, respected teachers, lovely parents, helping staff, and my dear friends. I, Dalit Seni, pay my sincere gratitude to you all and the school administration who has given me this opportunity to serve as the head boy of this prestigious institution. This temple of knowledge is contributing greatly to the betterment of society and will continue to spread its glory throughout this beautiful world. We all should be thankful that God has given us the opportunity to learn and study in this school. Today, the confidence with which I am speaking and the relentless work I put in are all because of the teachers who teach me with love. I proudly say that our school has great teachers who not only teach their subjects but also the true values of compassion and service that are needed most in this progressing world. We, the students, are the future of our nation. What we learn, what we think, and what we do will contribute to the making of our nation Viksit. We all are the seed planted in the garden of St. Joseph's Boys' School, who will bear fruit and serve humanity. In the journey of growth, a small seed faces many difficulties. A seed has to take in proper water, sunlight, and minerals from the soil to become a plant. We also need the water of knowledge from our teachers, the minerals of understanding, empathy, and love from our society, and the light of Almighty who always guides us to become successful individuals. If you plant 2 seeds of wheat, one inside your room in a pot and the other outside in the field, you will observe that the one who is courageous, which faces problems and tackles difficulties in the field, will bear fruit and serve humanity. The one who avoids problems and thinks of their own growth will bear no fruit. Nature always teaches us to follow the right path, to help others selflessly, to be humble at every position, and to do our best. Our school's goal is clear, and it will be mine too throughout my tenure. At the post I serve, knowledge, love, service will be my motto. I will also uphold what my parents say, be honest always. I will try to make this year progressive, creative, and beautiful with the blessings of all of you. And then, I want all of you to repeat after me the poem written by the Missile Man of India and our former President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You will repeat, when there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.